day 16, March 7th, and still pretty cold. We're gonna try to go for 12 miles today. Try to skip a shelter and try to get ahead. Otherwise, we're gonna be stuck out here for 3 more nights, unless we can combine 2 days. I'm really low on battery, so if I don't get some sunlight to recharge my power bank, somewhat today or tomorrow, these videos I might have to combine a couple days together, and you might not get much until I get to Franklin and resupply and recharge. We'll see. If I get a bunch of sunlight, then maybe I can recharge everything. I'm almost done on my phone, and my power bank's dead. So that, and I'm almost out of cigarettes, so that's a bummer too. Plenty of food and water though. So like I said, the videos might be getting scarce for the next couple days. Just a heads up. Still quite snowy, and that sun has not come out yet. It's trying, but it's interesting. There's snow on this side. If you look over there, no snow. Snow. Less snow. So, quick little update. We are about 0.8 from Standing Indian Shelter, and it's only 10:45 in the morning. So, if we push another like 7.9 or 8, we can get to Carter Gap Shelter, which would put us a day ahead of schedule, which means we would only have 2 more nights out here before we get to Franklin, which would be beneficial. So that is the plan right now. So we're going to shoot for a 12-ish mile day, and try to skip this shelter and go to the next. That's the plan. Oh my God, the sun is out for a little while, and we're gonna make our first 12-mile day today. North Carolina does not disappoint so far. Well, I made it. 12.5 today, which means I get to spend one less night out here than planned. So we got like a 7.6 day tomorrow, and we'll stay at Long Branch Shelter, and then I don't remember how much to Rock Gap Shelter, but so we got 2 more nights, and then I'll wake up and we'll be in Franklin. My battery's really bad, but I do have some sun here, I'm trying to charge my power bank, so hopefully I get some charge and I won't lose any more. I won't not be able to film the next 2 days. I gotta be careful about uploading videos while I'm on the trail. So there might, in the future, it might wait until I get off trail to upload videos because it's zapping my power. Yeah, standing Indian, no joke. Great views, and I think I'm gonna put a tent up tonight because the weather's nice. Finally, no snow on the ground as you can see where we're at. A little damp still, but yeah, rescue's a little bit behind me. We hit a fire tower and the 100-mile mark tomorrow. Right now, I'm not sure what we're at. I'll have to look at it. I'll look at it and I'll come back. I gotta check the weather anyway. Yeah, so I checked it. I didn't check the weather yet, but I checked, we're at 93.45 or something like that here at the shelter, which means we only have 7 miles to go before we hit the 100-mile marker. And so we'll hit it before we hit the next shelter. And I heard there's a fire tower in this trip, so that might make our day a little longer. We'll see what happens. 10% chance of rain from what I heard. I just haven't read the whole weather forecast for the shelter. But that's it for today.